Welcome back to the channel. We're in the final stretch of this last month before my basic rider course at a local community college. This April, I'm going to be learning how to ride the motorcycle. It's a 2-day crash course, and this road to getting gear has hit a crazy few potholes. I tried to source some gear offline, thinking it'd be faster, a shortcut, and honestly, it was a mistake. When you're dealing with getting gear, trying to get the right safety things, sometimes the easy way is the wrong way, but we live and learn, and I'm glad I lived and learned about a month out instead of a week or a couple days out. The thing that I'm really excited for out of this first round of gear that showed up, I'm hoping that these boots weren't part of the mistake. However, for the course, they have to be sturdy and cover the ankle bone. And these actually, let's see if these make the cut. I believe when I was measuring, these should fit. So I like it. Seems kind of sturdy. I got some nice hiking boots. First impressions, I think they look solid. They got the height that we need, most likely. And I'll be wearing these around the house if they fit and going around to some local trails to make sure that they are up to par and my feet have broken these in and they're wide enough, because I have wider feet, so it can be an issue. Now, if these work, we're halfway there. The rest of the stuff is no problem. I could find it almost anywhere. Now, those gloves right here. These gloves right here. The ones I bought offline. The fit is just not really there for me. I don't want gloves that are going to be too long, and that's what the problem is. The fingers are too long on these gloves. I have a bit wider palm, so instead of gambling on another mystery shipment, I'm just going to head to a local shop. I don't need to be questioning if I can do the clutch controls and hit the buttons or do anything that I might need to actually do with the gloves. So I'm going straight to being from sitting on the couch doing things. Never rode a motorcycle really. I think maybe one time, but I can't even remember. It's been so long. Now, going local, where I'm getting these gloves from, it's about 10-15 minutes away, but I'm really excited because it lets me test the dexterity. Like I said, I'm a new rider and I don't want to be fighting with gear while I'm trying to learn in the friction zone, being frustrated because I know I'll stall the bike or I will be underneath pressure, because after this course, if you pass, you can get your motorcycle endorsement and then you can start riding your own bike. And I just don't want to put any gear on that will make it harder for me to learn. And especially because I will be able to see some of the bikes in person. I saw on their website that they actually have a bike that is about $2,000 less than I thought when I was looking at other bikes. And it's an older bike, but it's still new. And I'm like, oh, awesome. Whether it's older, but it will meet all of my needs. I'll sit on it and try and see if it fits. But mistakes are just like sketches before the final masterpiece. Boots, hopefully win. And the hunt for the perfect gloves starts tomorrow at a local shop. So stay tuned for the next range update, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Stick around. April 25th, 26th, I believe, is the course. So I hope to see you back. All right.